The next question. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Shamil from Ethiopia. Can we say Ramadhaan Kareem? Regarding can a Muslim wish another Muslim with Ramadan Mubarak or Ramadhaan Kareem, is it permitted? Is it a sunnah? Is it prohibited? Normally, the Prophet, whenever the month of Ramadan approached, he used to inform the people. It's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, Hadith number 1899, that the beloved Prophet Muhammad said that Ramadan is the month in which the gates of heavens are opened and the gates of hell are closed and the devils are chained. There are various other hadith in which the Prophet used to inform the Sahabas that Ramadan is the month in which fasting has been prescribed and there are various blessings in it, and the gates of heaven are opened and the gates of hell are closed and the devil is chained, and anyone who doesn't benefit from this month is in loss. So the Prophet and the Sahaba used to inform each other. So there is no problem at all in a Muslim wishing another Muslim Ramadan Kareem or Ramadan Mubarak, though these words specifically were not used at the time of the Prophet by himself or the Sahabas, but it is mubah, it's optional. But to inform about Ramadan, it is mustahab. To your other Muslim brothers, your other Muslim sisters, it's mustahab. But these words specifically, Ramadan Kareem or Ramadan Mubarak, were not used by the Prophet, but there's no harm at all. It is mubah. But greeting each other and informing about this blessed month is a mustahab. It's a sunnah act. Hope that answers the question.